Guys, so we have a new way to actually earn on Spout. So guys, you can simply earn by transcription, right? So you simply want to transcribe audio maybe in your language, Yoruba, Hausa, and so or Igbo and so on. So guys, now as you can see right here, thanks for your recordings you are in. A new project is now open to you. Transcribe recordings in your language and earn a flat $10 per hour of audio. Now to start, complete a short qualification, just 3 clips. Our team reviews every submissions and emails you the decision. So I still want to apply to this and transcribe almost immediately. So guys, let me quickly show you what Spout is all about. So guys, as you can see on Spout, you simply get paid to talk. And guys, this is simply amazing. You simply want to use your voice to help shape the future of the tech you use today. And how do you get started? You simply want to apply, talk, cash out, and repeat the process. So guys, this is simply amazing. So guys, as you can see, Spout connects real people for authentic conversations, share your voice, meet new people, and earn money for participating in high quality talk session. It is simple. Create an account, tap to join, and start talking. So guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can simply withdraw your money and how you can also earn right here on Spout. So guys, now I made a video on how you can set up your account, how you can get approved right here on Spout. So you want to search for this video, Spout AI review, get paid to talk and record your voice worldwide. So this is a detailed video on how you can simply get accepted on Spout. All right, so I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, or you can simply search for this video on my channel. All right, let me log into my own account right here. Now as you can see, I have this project right here, conversation project, and also language transcription, which is paying $10 per audio hour. So if you watch this video, you learn how you can simply select your own language, maybe Hausa, Igbo, or Yoruba. You can select it right here and you'll be able to transcribe. All right, so now mine is Yoruba. So guys, you want to take your time and transcribe, don't rush. All right, so I actually rushed this one, that's why I have to try again. All right, so I'll make a dedicated video on how you can do this. All right, but now I just want you to know that you can transcribe right here. As you can see, this one is paused. Course are paused. We are reviewing the course already recorded. Your pending course will still be reviewed and paid if approved, and this one isn't available for now. All right, so now you can simply focus on transcription, but you want to make sure you choose the language you can speak. All right, maybe Hausa, Igbo, and so on. So you need to watch this video and learn how to get approved, learn how to choose the right language, and so on. So now you can just focus on transcription. All right, so now let me show you how you can withdraw right here. So you want to come to Payout. So now you can actually withdraw through bank transfer, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and etc. So now this is how you simply withdraw your funds right here. So guys, as you can see, payout are processed every Friday, and your next pay day is today because I'm actually recording this video on Friday. So now let's assume I have I've made some money right here. I'll be able to withdraw, right? Because if I have money right here, they will send me an email, and with that I'll be able to set up my payment method. You can also manage your withdrawal method using dots. So if you want to go to dots, enter your phone number and they are going to send you a verification code, and with that you can set up your account on dots. All right, so now this is how you can withdraw. Remember, bank transfer, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and etc, and you withdraw every Friday. So guys, now if you really want to earn on this platform, you simply want to refer your friends. All right, you should actually get paid $5 for every friend who signs up and completes a project. All right, so I'll be leaving this link in the description of this video, so guys, please make use of it. All right, so now this is how it works. Share your link with your friends join, and you simply make money. All right, they sign up with your link and complete a project for approved course or an hour of approved recordings, and you simply get paid. All right, so once their work is approved, $5 is added to your Payout. So guys, this is simply amazing. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. So guys, please make sure you watch this video. It is very important. You learn how to set up your account and do all the necessary things, right? So you need to go through this and learn how to set up your account. All right. So now guys, this is what I have for you in today's video. If you got value, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also share this video with a friend out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.